You're on now.
This is your power strip.
Yep, that's the power strip.
Your power strip is going to go into the DC input on the back side of it.
DC input.
You also have your USB input, and that's going to connect to your computer.
Connects to the computer. Yep.
You can have 2 channels. So on the front here, channel 1 and channel 2.
Yep.
When you set up the program, it's gonna be the same thing. So analog 1 is this, analog 2 is gonna be that.
What is analog? Where do I see that on the computer?
Analog will show up on the computer.
On the computer. Okay.
So channel 1 is equal to analog 1 on the program itself.
Okay.
All right. If we come over to the computer.
Coming to the computer.
We start the program.
And what's the program start with? What is it on?
It's BioPack Student Lab 4.1. All right, so now we have a bunch of different options. It can be kind of confusing. So you can do a couple of different things. You can either create your own new one, which that's not a bad option. And then it'll say create empty graph or open graph template. So if you open a graph template, that's one that we've already made.
Okay.
But just for fun today, we're gonna create our own.
Okay.
We click OK. And then it gives you this screen. What you'll do is you'll push acquire and click value. Now you have 2 channels. Before we only had 1 channel. So now both of our channels are there, so we can measure 2 different muscle groups. We click close, and now we have this is our graph readout. So once those electrodes are attached, we'll push start. And it's not going to read anything right now because we don't have it attached to anything. But you push start, and it'll begin to read
whatever you're hooked to.
Whatever you're hooked to. Yep.
Okay.
To analyze, what you can do is you click this button over here. So right here. So it looks like an eye.
Okay.
You'll click on that. And now what you can do is you can select a whole section. So if you have a movement, if you know that plant phase was within seconds 4 to 6, you can highlight that section. And then up here at the top, you have, you can select specific things. So if you want to just look at channel 1, you can look at channel 1. Let's say I want to know the value or the mean value over this time period in channel 1. Now I have that value. If I want to do the same thing in channel 2, I can do that. So you have all different options of things that you can do through here. You can look at amplitude, you can look at mean, max, min, all that stuff right up here. So that's the main thing on that. Channel leads. White's negative, red's positive, black is the ground. Typically you want the ground to be attached to a bony landmark or surface so that you're not picking up any noise from external muscle groups.
Do that again.
So you have white is negative, red is positive, black is going to be your ground.
Okay.
The ground you're going to want to be attached to a bony landmark, just so then it's not going to pick up any extra noise from another muscle group. So, and that's about it.
Okay.
Good luck. Have fun.
Give me one of your great smiles.